Hollis with CompleteSalonSupply.com, and I'm here to show you how to change the cartridge in this Marble Products 550 faucet. Alright. First thing you need to do is shut off the water supply at the shutoffs, and you turn the faucet on to make sure there's no water comes out. Here's the cartridge we're going to be replacing in it. This one is from CompleteSalonSupply.com. And here we go. First thing, remove the cap covering the knob. Next thing, remove the knob. It's got a ring here. Turn it, remove it. Now, you can see inside here is a green cartridge. These replacement cartridges only fit the faucets with the green cartridge. The holes where these pins go is smaller on the faucets that originally came with the blue cartridge. Next thing we do is remove this ring that secures the faucet in there. Remove the faucet. Make sure that the rubber gasket in here comes out with it, and that the inside of your faucet is clean. If not, you may have to clean it. Set the old one to the side, put the new one in. Make sure you line it back up the way the old one came out. It will drop into place. You can feel it click. Put your retaining nut back in. Tighten it hand tight, and then use your channel locks and give it another little, about a quarter of a turn. Put your trim ring back on. Now you take your knob and put it back on, same direction it was facing before. Tighten your nut back down. Your screw back down that holds it in. Place your cap. You ready to turn it on and test it out?